Yeah. Loud.
Let's go.
Now.
First blood.
Yeah.
First
Are
blood.
you insane like
First
me?
blood.
In pain like me? Bought $100 bottle of champagne like me, just to pour that
First
motherfucker
blood.
down the drain like me. Would you use your water bill to drive the plane?
First blood.
Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Will you fill yourself up
First
hard to
blood.
entertain like me?
Yeah, loud.
First blood. First blood.
Never living with the demons that I got on my soul. Never think about the pain that I got on my mind. My habits on the shit
First
from the things that I
blood.
did. Never bring up for forgiveness in the way that I live. You can find me in the streets with the God I
First
is. Ain't nobody
blood.
really currently the words like this. I'm a different type of nigga, never worry about the bars. I'm a focus for progression, but you
First
gotta get it done
blood.
instead of trying to bring it in. But then again, nobody wants a nigga, pressure was mine and I had to find a way around it.
First-
to find myself, don't get fucked up cause it always ups. I'm a drowning in my summer's all by
First
myself.
blood.
On the quiet night, I'm staring at the ball with the sound of thought. I feel like I've been never float my nigga. Tell me what you really know, my nigga. I'm a saying like a motherfucker, trying to find a way to what's ticking and taking plenty of time to author ridiculous text. I've been giving you real even though I'm riddled with stress. So 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4. I cry for help but nobody responding. My emotions gone, yeah, they all up and down. And my self-esteem left and my confidence gone. I got all of this pain that I did with alone.
First blood.
Loud.
Champagne like me.
Knowledge.
$100 bottle of champagne like me, just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Would you use your water
First
bill to
blood.
drive the stain like me? Are you high enough
First
without the
blood.
Mary Jane like me? Do you fill yourself up
First
hard to
blood.
entertain like me? Do the people whisper
First
about you on the
blood.
train like me? Saying that you shouldn't
First
waste
blood.
your face like me?
Never kidding myself for a dream, I don't
First
even believe
blood.
it. It's really entertaining when you give it your all. I put my soul up on the table, all they do
First
is analyze it.
blood.
I'm a secret in the rhymes and I ain't never told nobody when it started rapping. Suicide, I saw some word
blood.
rabbit through my mind, I made amends, I found a way. Y'all guess I could really make it vivid so they see the clearer picture. In depression, panicking, I can't take this shit, my God. Tell me why you put me in front. I don't wanna live no more, hold on. The business that we're doing, I hope I know. And I'm not ready, just a waste of that. So why the fuck do I progress? Can't explain it, it's been inside of me. I got no witnesses left, I know I'm lost on the path I chose. I never like up on the records, I will not be exposed. I'm only in reality, I'm a lyrical legend. My complimentary honesty is a rarity, yes. You feel the satisfaction, but I'm not really impressed. Cause I can read between the lines and the secret lies. Are you insane like me, been the pain like me? Do you take yourself apart with a pain like me? Wanna change like me, but you can't like me. Terrified that your misery gon' remain like me. Loud.
Like me.
Knowledge.
First blood.